expired registration when I'm 10 feet from the fucking house. Alright, so, not much to see here. That's a fucking snow, that's for sure. Man, it really is pretty. I don't want to be holding this thing. Oh shit, there's a cop too, damn it. Oh well. Hopefully, homie is nice to me. Yeah, sorry guys, you're gonna have to stare at the ceiling until I get past this fucking cop. My Nevada County sheriffs, they love me so much. They like how I call them names. Oh, come on, copper, stay where you're at. Don't come get me. All right, now we can resume. As long as he don't fucking hang a quick right. Mobile home park next door. This is real trailer trash over this way. I shit you not. This place over here is rough. Oh, carnage. I saw something on a house. Fucking stay on your side of the lane, homie. I gotta watch the road. You guys can look at the carnage in there. For a little spin around my hood too. I'll take a look, see before I pull back in the driveway. Shit, now you motherfuckers know how to get to my house. Fucking Johnny. Alright, tall pines, homie. Some redwoods right there. What's that lady got smoke coming out of the fucking house? That's crazy. So we go take a ride around the neighborhood. Johnny's house right there with the fucking tree. Let's go take a look, see, shall we? There's some more broken shit. Oh. See, now my spot's not bad. I mean, when you look at this, looks like a regular neighborhood. It don't look ghettified like that joint I just showed you down the street. Well, let's go in here. Look at this motherfucker. Woo-hoo! All up on dude shit. Fucked up for his ride. Alright, now I gotta turn around. I gotta put you guys down before I can do my... Oh man, these things don't like to make sharp turns in four-wheel drive. It's a real pain in the fucking swingster. I'm laughing. Alright, I gotta get on my knee to see my doggies. Fucking pausing lately. No fucking around. Alright, now I can pick you up again. But yeah, look, carnage. Johnny's carnage. Whoop whoop everywhere. Oh, that dude's ride is fucked. Alright, enough of the sightseeing. Ah, no, fuck it, come on. We'll take the whole park. I'll show you the whole fucking spot. Come on. Whoop, 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 whoop. Turbo. Oh, that's what Johnny just like nip this one a little bit. Oh yeah, that's fun. Here, can I plow into this pile of snow a little bit right here? Oh, yeah. I like it. Just like a little fucking kid. Alright, well, there's the 10-cent tour of the hood. I'm gonna make a left up here. Maybe I'll bonk this big old fucking snowball right here. Oh shit, that one, I took that motherfucker out. Oh shit. Hopefully I didn't fuck up my headlight. Yeah, well, this is the spot, peeps. Hope you enjoyed the tour. There's Johnny's spot right there. Coming in for a landing. You all have a beautiful day. We'll talk soon. Peace.